Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to improve WhatsApp status quality. So it is very easy. First of all, we need to go to the settings and make sure that our camera settings are high, so we will take the high quality photo. So go here to the camera and make sure that your recording video is to 4K at 60 FPS or more if your iPhone is compatible with it. Then go back and make sure the preserve settings is also enabled as mine. Then go to the formats and make sure it is in high efficiency, because that is basically means that your for photos and videos will be in the higher resolution. Then go back if everything is fine here and open the WhatsApp. Now in the WhatsApp, go to the settings and scroll down a little bit and choose storage and data here. Then in the upload quality, choose HD quality. So basically it means that your photos will be uploaded with the HD quality as usual. So then you can go to the chats, and the 100% way of how you can upload only HD pictures to your WhatsApp, you can open the random chat here, then upload the picture to this chat, then go to photos, upload a random picture, and make sure that this HD icon is toggled on in the top right corner. As you can see, I toggled this on, and then send this picture to the chat. And now here, as you can see, my picture is in HD quality because I have a little HD sign here. And now just simply go and click on the share button in the bottom left corner, forward, and here choose my status, and then click on the forward in the bottom right corner once again. And that is basically how you can upload only HD photos and improve the quality of your photos in the status. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.